most of the time it's seen that on Google business profiles, mostly the reviews are only rating and there is no comment on those reviews. The reason is people who are giving these reviews, that are reviewers, don't find any appropriate word to mention as comment while they are giving reviews, so they just click 5-star and they submit their review. But what if you get review with proper comment, that too with keywords which will help your profile grow many folds? So we have come up with a simple solution in our gbpgm app, that is a custom review link which provides a review suggestion, that too keyword based review suggestion, to anyone whom you are sharing that review link. And when they see that suggestion, they'll just have to copy it and paste it in the Google's review section with 5-star rating, and you get a review with proper keyword based comment. So what are you waiting for, guys? Check the gbpgm app now, create your custom review link and start getting reviews with proper keywords.